Hello, welcome. Question 22, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. We are having the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is 8. So if I have a matrix which is A, B, C, D, and I'm asked to find its determinant, the determinant can be written in a form like this: A, B, C, D, which is standing in for multiplication of leading diagonal. So A times D minus the product of what? The other diagonal, that is what? BC. So if this is given to you, you can only equate this to that value. So if I have 2Q, 2, -1 and 1, I'm saying that this is equals to 8, meaning the product of the leading diagonal, 1 times 2Q, that will still remain 2Q, minus 2 times -1, that will be -2. This will give you what? 8. So fast forward, you can see this become plus. I should be having, okay, let me put it here. This is going to be 2Q from here plus 2 equals to what? 8. Maintain the 2Q, subtract 2 from both sides. Then 2Q will be equal to 6. Divide by 2. Q is going to be equals to what? 3. So the value that we are going to go for is going to be 3, which is the option C. Meaning if we have here to be 6, 2, -1 and this, then the determinant will become what? 8. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.